Hey, what's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. Bellator Claims Resolution. And I'm here to talk to you about, guess what? The denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Kipster of Loveland. I had a homeowner's policy with the insurance company for 23 years. I always had a $500 deductible. When I called to make my first claim in 20 years, right? 20 years, I was told that my deductible was now $5,000. Never did I give consent to this, nor did the insurance company notify me because if they would have, I would have gone with another insurance carrier. They are criminals. Well, the unfortunate part is this, is the vast majority of the time, not all the time, the vast majority of the time, the insurance company does send you paperwork. Most people don't even take it out of the envelope. They see who it's from and then file it away, throw it away, whatever it might be. So you got to read these endorsements. They usually come once a year, right around renewal, and they will change the policy. Those in writing will change the policy, and they might increase your deductible. So one of the things that I believe is true is with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac backed mortgages, there is a limit to the amount the deductible can be. So I don't think you can have a $5,000 deductible if you have one of those types of mortgages. So there's a lot of different things that go into that, but ultimately if you're not reading the updates and if you're not reading the policy, but they sent that to you in writing, oh man, I hate it. I do. I hate it for you because now you're so much more out of pocket and it is going to cost you a lot more money, but also, the insurance company might be right because they sent it to you in writing to give you an update, to let you know what was going on. So read that paperwork. I know you hate it, so do I, but you got to do it because it changes the way you are protected or not protected, okay? So if you have a legitimate claim from storm damage, hail, wind, tornado, whatever it might be, or fire and smoke, right now in Colorado, it's crazy, right? So contact us today. We can help you. We can help you get involved by getting involved with the claim and pushing the claim through the process, making sure you meet all your duties after loss, and then pushing back on the insurance company when they're not being fair or truthful, okay? So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.